Hi, this is Kim Colapreti with Team Diva at Coldwell Banker Bain in Seattle, Washington. Today, I'm here at this wonderful Lakeview Contemporary home located right in the heart of Seward Park.
Gal, this house is fabulous. I want to buy it.
Okay, Chavi, I'm shooting a video right now. See, there's John, we're shooting a video. And yes, this home is fabulous. So why don't you help me tell our Diva Land folks why this home is so wonderful, what makes it so special, and why you want to buy it.
Okay, let's do this then.
So this kitchen is the literal heart of this home, and it is huge. You could easily host 10 folks in this space and never feel cramped. And I also really want to talk about this kitchen island. First, I'm in love. I can totally see this counter filled with a bevy of hors d'oeuvres and pre-dinner cocktails. And then the wine fridge is so convenient, Chavi. I mean, it is perfect for storing my locust wines and my fat cork champagnes. So when guests come over, I don't have to scurry to the basement to get some booze.
Oh, and can I tell you that I literally squealed when I found the secret spice cabinet next to the gas range. I'm in love with this kitchen.
I could totally see you liking that.
I mean, it was really great.
I can see why the owner said this kitchen is the heart of their home. There is so much love here. I mean, we both just freaking love this kitchen. Now that we've raved about the kitchen, we really have to show off this amazing living dining space. It has a very similar layout as our Lake Diva house, which is also a 1970s design. This flow, once again, is excellent for entertaining. Having that natural flow from sitting around the dining table to easily lounging in the living room is a feature we love at our lake house and one we don't have at our Seattle home, which is probably why Chavi loves this house so much.
It's true.
Even if you're not the entertaining type, being able to enjoy a lake view and a roaring fire while you're eating dinner or playing cards is such a joy.
I also really love the way the sellers described waking up to the sunrise with these windows and the Cascades behind us. And just the trees from Seward Park while drinking their morning coffee. These windows and the view is what living in Seattle is all about.
That is very true. But wait, we didn't talk about the deck.
Oh, we'll get there.
Okay.
But first, I want to talk about the daylight basement.
Ooh, basement.
I'm a big fan of a separate guest suite. And with so many of us working from home, having spaces separate from the main living area is so important for our sanity. This basement is fully finished with a cozy rec room and a separate bedroom and a bath. And it even has a separate entrance, which frankly, any of us with kids coming back from college will love. And most important,
good point.
It has a high ceiling for tall gals like me.
Also a good point. We also have to mention that not only have all the systems been updated in this home, but it also has air conditioning. Okay, summer may be over, but global warming is not going anywhere. When we hit those 100-degree temperature days next July, you and your posse can play games, watch movies, and literally chill out in this fabulous basement.
Now, this is a proper deck.
Perfect for enjoying some locust wine on a fall day. This killer deck is just one of the many upgrades the sellers made over the years that they owned this home.
I really love how the French doors open directly from the dining room into the deck. It added a whole extra layer to this home.
And these views, can you imagine just indulging in the peaceful views of Lake Washington and Seward Park anytime you want?
Not to mention all the privacy from the professionally landscaped yard. I so appreciate having this.
Lately, many of us are only spending time with our friends outside. Having a space like this makes entertaining our Vax posse feel just a little more safe. This is Kim.
And Chavi.
And we're with Team Diva at Coldwell Banker Bain in Seattle, Washington.
Make sure you like this video and click to subscribe to our YouTube channel.
And follow us on the Instagrams and the Facebooks. Ciao for now.
Bye, Diva fam.
Oh man, that was an easy video shoot.
By the way, you gonna pour me some wine?
Well, might as well drink it since I had to open it for the video shoot.
It's only half gone.
There you go. Not half.
Anywho,
cheers.
Cheers, babe. Cheers.
Yay.
2 videos. Yay. After this, by the way, I'm gonna take a sip. Tasty. I'm happy we joined this Lucas wine membership.
This is very good.
It's about time. It's long overdue. After this, I have to go to Third Place Books because it's only a couple blocks away.
To buy books for our friend's school.
They literally don't have a library.
No, that's a bummer.
It's really sad.
And are you going to go to Ideal Pet Store and get stuff for the doggies and
so sweet, the
new kitten?
And the new kitten, but also like the whole community came together so the manager could buy the store.
I'm so happy about that. That makes me so happy. It's like, great having a pet store in the neighborhood.
And it's funny too, because like the owners here like talked about the community, and that's a perfect example of like
this is a really lovely community. Yeah. And you're so close to Columbia City too, so you can like get to the light rail and go hang out down there, you know, and have lovely dinners and coffee and oh my god, it's so great.
And more importantly, frankly, like if you and I lived here, like we would basically just walk Seward Park versus our other morning walks we do every morning.
Oh my god, I would love to be able to walk to Seward Park from here. Oh, that's so awesome.
It's so great.
And let's not forget, if we lived here, I'd be at Pizzuto's eating their chicken parmesan.
What would you say?
Every
You'd be
single
so mad.
night.
You're eating out. You're not eating his food
You
anymore.
need to learn how to make chicken parmesan then.
He's not Italian. Like, give the man a break. Oh, John, do you want some wine? Okay. Oh wait, I have a spare glass right here. Okay, it was for the shoot, but you know, like, I could easily make it yours.
Oh, cheers, John.
Cheers, John.
Thanks for a great video shoot. Yay.